If you are someone who tells yourself every single January, this is the year that I finally get my body back, and then you end up at the same spot where we're at every January 1st, this video will explain exactly why. And let me preface by saying it has nothing to do with willpower. The week after Christmas is when the body shame gets really loud. You haven't even made the resolution yet and already your body feels like a problem that needs to be handled. And that feeling right there is the real issue. If you're new here, my name is Vanessa. I help women manifest the body of their dreams by changing the relationship that they have with their bodies. Watching this the week after Thanksgiving or Christmas and your body feels heavy and your clothes feel tight and your mind is racing towards that first challenge that you're going to do in January, I want you to hear this clearly. There is nothing wrong with you. This is the week where most women start quietly negotiating with themselves. You start thinking, I should have done better this year. Things have to be different. I can't keep going on like this, starting over every single year. I can't keep feeling like this in this body. And almost immediately, your body becomes a problem that needs to be handled. And that moment is where weight loss journeys go wrong. Most diets don't fail because they don't work or because you're undisciplined and you can't keep up a diet. They fail because they require you to disconnect from your body in order to follow them. You are taught to override hunger, ignore your emotions, push through exhaustion, control your cravings, and maybe it works for a little bit. Eventually, your body pushes back. Your nervous system goes into fight or flight mode. It's not because you're weak. It's not because you lack discipline. It's because your nervous system doesn't feel safe. This is the cycle that I started over and over again. You feel uncomfortable in your body, so you decide to get strict. You follow the rules perfectly until something stressful happens, and then you fall off. And then there is so much shame and guilt about falling off that you can't get back on again. You tell yourself, I'll start over. Next Monday, next month, next January. After enough of these cycles, your body stops trusting you. It learns that your love is conditional. It's only acceptable when it's smaller. It's only safe when it behaves. And a body that does not feel safe will hold on, not let go. January feels like a fresh start, but it's actually the worst place to start because January change is rooted in urgency. Urgency says, fix this now, you're behind, you need to catch up, you're failing. Urgency creates pressure, and pressure doesn't build consistency. Pressure creates rebellion. This is why so many women fail at their resolutions, because they never had a sustainable foundation to begin with. The women who experience the most weight loss aren't the most disciplined, they're the most regulated. They trust themselves, they feel safe in their bodies, they don't abandon themselves when things get hard. They don't ask, how do you lose weight as fast as possible? They ask, who am I being with my body? And does this version of me support the change that I want? Exactly why I'm hosting a free live event on December 26th called The Reset Before the Resolution. I created it for the women who are tired of starting over every January, who don't want another plan, they want a new relationship with their body. In this live reset, we are going to talk about why embodiment matters, why self-trust matters, how to enter the new year from alignment instead of pressure. If this video finally put into words something that you've been feeling for years, I would love to invite you to join me live. It's free, it's live, it's for the women who are done fighting themselves. You can register in the link below this video. Your body isn't resisting the change, it's resisting being treated like the enemy. I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one.